What's up guys? So today we're actually in the Phuket airport. We came from the Phi Phi Islands on a boat and we kind of overestimated the amount of time it would take us to get here. So we've been here for 5 hours and we still have an hour left until our flight to Bangkok. So I thought this would be a perfect time to do a little what's in my carry-on, and I'm also going to be talking about my backpack because I've collaborated with Muslim Backpacks and I actually have a personal discount code. It's Peyton Marie for 20% off. They're super cute and affordable backpacks for traveling. I actually got the large sized one in the watermelon color, but they also have smaller ones and the large one is $60. So this backpack has helped so much on our trip. It's so much bigger than like my school backpack that I normally bring, and it fits like all my camera gear and some clothes and all the other necessities. So let's just get on into it. So I love that this backpack has obviously straps, and then it can actually be tucked into here, and it can actually be a duffel bag as well, but it has like a handle right here, has a handle right here, and then it comes with another like strap thing to use it as a duffel bag. So starting in this little section, always travel with a little adapter because, you know, don't have the plugins in the US. Got sunglasses, have a little like bag of like prescription medicines and like in case I get sick, or Advil, and then here's that strap that I was talking about that you can just attach. Okay, so now going into the big part. I love it because it's just one big section. So at the top I just have my little purse from Bali, and it just has like a lot of little like knickknacks from our trip. I like to keep like our plane tickets and stuff like that, and then our fanny pack. And this has been so handy on this trip because while you're traveling it's nice to not have to carry all your stuff, so one of us just always has this on us, because then we have our money and all of our important things in here. So in this one, me and Dylan just kind of like split up our money, so we have all of our Thai money in here. We have our keys to our luggage and just some like change. And Dylan's filming. Thanks, Dylan.
You're welcome.
So then the big part, we have both our passports, my money, my little like Vera Bradley wallet, all of our important like paperwork. It's kind of a junk mess. But I also have like chapstick in there because my lips always get chapped on planes. Then I like to carry all of my expensive equipment because I never really trust the checked bags and you might not get it. So keep all of your expensive equipment. So I have my big DSLR. I have the camera that we're filming with, which is the Canon G7X. I have, oh, and another thing that I really like about this backpack is that it has a little compartment for your computer. So it can just strap in right here, and that's perfect because I'm always traveling with my computer to edit pictures or videos or whatever. So I put my computer in there, just have like, these are some postcards because I like to collect those. And it has a little compartment right here, so I keep a picture of my passport in case I lose it, so then it's easier to get one. And my computer charger and camera charger. And then I always keep extra clothes in my carry-on, like I said, in case my check bag gets lost. So I have a pair of leggings, comfy shorts, t-shirt, and some extra pairs of underwear. And then my favorite part is my drone, our drone. So I keep the drone, and then it was really nice because we got the what was it called? The buy more pack or whatever.
Yeah.
So it came with
extra
like
batteries.
Yeah, it came with this pack which opens up, and it comes with a little case for the controller, more of the propellers, the chargers, and extra batteries. So this has been super helpful because everything's in here. So when we want to fly the drone, we just take this with. So that has been my main carry-on that goes above the seat, and then I brought this little bag to go under the seat. So in this, I always keep my portable charger that we're actually using right now, and I have this little bag that actually my friend Ashley gave me from Thailand, and it's so funny because I actually got like some of the same things because it's like everywhere sells the same souvenirs. So this one has another pair of sunglasses, some smaller headphones, some chargers, and just cords like that. I always keep a sweatshirt because it gets really cold on planes. And normally what I wear on a plane is just like comfy oversized t-shirt, tied it in a knot with like a bralette, and always wear comfy pants. So I'm wearing comfy pants and your bulkiest shoes so that, I mean, you don't have to pack it. So I'm just wearing like Adidas sneakers right now. Then brought my Beats headphones. The small ones don't block out the noise as much. I brought this little journal that we've just kind of been keeping like our video ideas, writing down everything that we've done so that we can do like a blog post or maybe make like a Asia guide. So if you guys would be interested in like guide, like laying out everything we did, where we ate, where we stayed, what we did, and how much everything cost, let us know in the comments below. I have sleeping mask that I got on the first plane because that always comes in handy when I need to sleep. Another adapter and my external hard drive, and then I just have a little compartment in here that has like sleeping pills, a ponytail, a pen to always fill out the little immigration forms, and that's pretty much it. So like I said, check out the Muslim backpacks. I will link it in the description below. The coupon code is Peyton Marie for 20% off, and they're super affordable, great quality. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful or if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to our channel because we have a lot more travel videos coming, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.